Hello everyone, I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. Today we are going to study about Ubhayacharya Yoga. Ubhayacharya Yoga. How this yoga is being formed. The example is very simple. Wherever the sun is being located, both the sides, one house back and the next house, should be occupied by the planet, and good planet. In that conditions, this Ubhayacharya Yoga is being formed. Let's study in detail. Ubhayacharya Yoga in Vedic astrology. This yoga forms when there are planets on either side of the sun, except moon and nodes. This yoga results will depend upon the placement of sun in a particular house and kind. If planets placed in the right and the left of the sun, for example, sun is placed in Aries, the house number 1, where the Jupiter is placed in Pisces, his own house, in the 12th house from the sun or from Aries. Pisces is the 12th house, and the Venus placed in the Taurus in its own sign. The second house will be quite good combination. This particular combination is very good combination for Ubhayacharya Yoga. This combination further strengthens the first house as well as the sun, as the ascendant, the first lord, is receiving positive energy from both the sides, which makes this yoga more powerful. Let's study in detail by taking one case. The Ubhayacharya Yoga provides an individual, the native, to have a stamina and energy to complete all his commitments. The native will have a positive energy and an the optimism in his life or about the life. He will be very much optimistic about the life. The native's hospitalization or the native to get sick are the conditions are very less. Thus, this particular combination will have an very less probability of getting sick. The person who is having an Ubhayacharya Yoga will not get easily sick. The secret enemies will not able to harm him. The person who is having Ubhayacharya Yoga. The native will be charitable. The native will have an affectionate attitude towards the poor. The native will gain from investments. In this way, Ubhayacharya Yoga is bringing the positivity in the life of an individual. The strength of the Ubhayacharya Yoga. The strength of the Ubhayacharya Yoga. If these three planets receive malefic effect from other planets, then this yoga strength gets reduced, and so as the auspiciousness results. The results percentage may vary from 100 to 70 or 50 according to the malefic effects. This is my website. I have given the link of the website in the description box. Anyone can reach me for the consultation purpose through the website, or they can reach me through telephone, mobile, WhatsApp, Telegram. The number is 9282103960. I request you all to subscribe the channel, press the bell button so that you will be getting the latest information at the faster rate. Thank you very much.